How to get more projects in Outlier AI. So before everything else, or before providing information about getting more projects or tasks in Outlier AI, here is how Outlier AI works. So you go directly to Outlier.ai's official site, you log into your account, and then you input all the expertise available or all the experiences that you have. So once you have input all the experiences or the expertise that you have on your end, it will only show all available opportunities depending on your experience. So say for example, you're trained all about information about AI training or AI training for manufacturing, for operations, for public health, then specifically on AI packages has a lot of projects in it. So what you will be doing on your end is just to go around, open opportunities on Outlier AI, and then have experience in any of these projects right here available, because the more experience you have, the more projects that you will be getting. So those are only the ideas for you to be able to get more projects in Outlier.ai.